Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY Christmas slime. Let's get right to it. The materials you need for this DIY Christmas slime is a mixing bowl, a fork or different utensil, shaving cream, baby oil, red food dye and green food dye, a plastic bag, Elmer's school glue, and clear Tide, or a different activator. Let's get started. The first step in making this Christmas slime is pouring some glue into your bowl. Now you can move that aside and put your food dye in. And since I'm making a Christmas slime, I'm going to use red and green. I'm going to put 2 drops of red. Mix it together. I think I want this a little bit more red, so I'm going to add another drop of red food dye. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of my shaving cream. Mix it together. And it looks a little bit pink, so I'm going to add a little bit more food dye. Alrighty, now that I have this red color that I like, I'm going to add a little bit of my baby oil. And baby oil is pretty essential when you're making fluffy slime because it just makes it a lot softer. And if you put a lot of shaving cream, the oil will even it out with the glue. Just like this. I'm gonna keep mixing it. And it'll start to look kind of glossy. It'll have a glossy look because of the baby oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just like this. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my Tide activator. And make sure you pour a little bit at a time so it doesn't become too stiff. Just like this. And as you can see, it's already forming. I'm gonna add in a little bit more activator. Now that it's starting to form a little bit more, I'm going to add in just a little bit more activator, and then I'm going to go in with my hands. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my hands. Just gonna continue mixing this with my hands a little bit more until all the ingredients are mixed in together. Now that this slime is ready, I'm going to move it aside and start working on my next slime color. Now I'm going to make my green slime, and to do this, I'm going to pour in my glue into my bowl. Now I'm going to add in some green food dye, and I'm going to add about 3 drops. You can mix it together, and as you're mixing it, you'll see this beautiful green color. Now that I have my green color, I'm going to add in some shaving cream. And I think I'm going to want this to be a little bit more fluffy, so I'm going to add in a little bit more shaving cream. Now that I've added in my shaving cream, I'm going to add in some baby oil. And now I'm going to mix it together with the glue. Now that I've added a little bit of oil, I'm now going to add in my Tide activator. I'm going to add in a little bit at a time. A little bit more activator. I think I'm going to add in a little bit more activator, and then I'm going to go in with my hands. Just going to continue mixing before I add in any more activator to see if this is enough. Need some more. I actually think this is perfect, so I'm just going to go in my hands now. I'm just going to mix it all together with my hands. And using your hands, it'll mix all the ingredients together nicely. And it'll all combine to make a really nice green slime. So I'm just going to continue mixing it in my hands. Just like this. And I'm just going to continue doing it a little bit more. just like this. And you'll have a really nice green, fluffy slime. Now I'm going to put this next to my red slime I made earlier, and I'm going to place them together so they can combine. Now that the colors are kind of combined like this, I'm going to shape them to look like rectangles, both sides. Now from the sides, I'm going to roll them up, and I'm going to start with the green side, and I'm just going to kind of roll it like this. And as you can see, the colors are mixed together as green and red. Now I'm just going to pull them apart a little bit. You can see the colors a little bit more, and I'm going to do some swirls. See the colors nicely mixed. The green and the red getting all mixed together. And if you keep mixing them, they'll turn into like this grayish purple almost color, which still looks really cool even after you mix them together. Like this. You can still see the colors are there a little bit. And there is your Christmas slime. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!